Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the Hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the Hyperlapse, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on this big button at the center, the shutter. We can also change the speed of our hyperlapse by going to the right corner button, and here we can pick auto speed, which is now, and it's good for recording any conditions, so the camera should give us the best possible settings to our video. And we can pick also the spectrum between 4 to 64, so this is wide choice. And the really cool thing from the device is that it shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have when we want to record the hyperlapse. So for example, 64 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Maybe let me show you 16, good for recording clouds moving across the sky. And also 4, good for recording people being active. So you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on the auto, because as you can see I don't really have well conditions to record this kind of video, so this is only an example, but let me start recording to show you how it works. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one, that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the hyperlapse video looks like at this device. We can play it again here. So this is the short one now. So you have to record longer to get better results. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.